Good evening, New Jersey. Big temperature swing ahead with heavy rain but a strong storm system moves in Thursday night with heavy rain developing. Expect 1 inch or more of rain across much of New Jersey, especially overnight. Winds pick up big time, gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour statewide late Thursday into Jersey Shore could see gusts over 50 miles per hour, potential for tree damage and outage. Strongest winds overnight Thursday through Friday morning as cold front passes. Impacts: wet roads, possible minor flooding in poor drainage areas. Friday, rain tapers off but temps drop sharply, highs falling to the 40s. Breezy Friday with gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour lingering, some snow mix possible as rain ends. Weekend outlook: quieter and drier Saturday, seasonable temps in the 40s. Sunday, possible weak system late, light precip but mainly dry overall. Travel tip: caution Thursday night, reduce visibility and heavy rain. Secure outdoor items now ahead of those strong wind gusts. Power outages possible, charge devices and have flashlights ready. Coastal areas, higher wind and minor tidal concerns overnight. Recap: warm Thursday, then stormy night with heavy rain and winds. Cooler and breezy Friday, quieter weekend ahead. Stay updated. Check Impact Weather for any wind advisories. Drive safe and stay weather aware tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily NJ weather updates. Stay safe out there, New Jersey. Good night.